In this exercise, we're gonna integrate an emotional state or a feeling. According to the laws of the constellation, we understand we cannot exclude somebody or actually something. We cannot exclude a feeling. More we try to push away a feeling, let's say the feeling of shame, the feeling of anger, the feeling of disgust, of being greedy, stingy, more we push that away, more it will come in our life. We will start the exercise with you grounding. So please go into breathing, breathe deeper and deeper, ground yourself. You've done that? Good. And now please recall an event, an experience that was not pleasant, maybe where you had a conflict or you really felt uncomfortable. Ask yourself, what really happened during that event? Why exactly did you get triggered? And how did you get triggered? What was your emotional state? Did you feel that somebody doesn't see you, doesn't appreciate you? Did you feel used, abused? Did you feel that somebody dislikes you? Did you feel hate? Did you feel anger? Identify the element. Did you feel that you were a failure? Maybe you felt that you're nobody. Please identify the key feeling, your emotional state, or the most powerful element that comes in your mind in regards to that experience. Good, you have it. What I'm gonna choose, because I observe this again and again, I'm gonna choose the feeling, the emotional state of failure. And now we're gonna pick up one of our papers to represent the failure. And I took one. I'm gonna put it on the floor, and in 1 second, I'm gonna show you the floor. Please think about the opposite of that emotional state. What is the opposite of failure? The opposite is definitely success. So we're gonna choose the representative for success. The opposite is also feeling fulfilled. Feeling so good, feeling so free. So I'm gonna choose this for feeling good and feeling free. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna integrate failure in our system, because more we try to push it away, more it will come for different experiences, reminding us that it also is a part of life. And we ourselves inside of us have failed and have had success. Both of the elements are allowed to exist in this reality. So we make space for every emotional state. Now this exercise is actually inspired, and in the next step of the exercise, after placing the things on the floor, we're gonna make this spiral of eternity. A spiral that is gonna include all the elements in our life, showing them that there is space for them, and therefore the constellation can regulate itself, can balance itself, and doesn't need to fight for existence, fight for its holy space. Good. You can see my floor, what is happening, what I've done. In the center, I've put failure, and then around it, I've put different synonyms of success, the opposite. First, what we're gonna do, we're gonna go into it to just see how do we feel. And every feeling is okay. You just feel yourself. How do you feel when you're stepping into failure? Maybe you feel small. Maybe you feel suppressed. That's okay. Just feel it. How do you feel when you go into success? Yes, you feel joy. Other elements of success. Maybe you feel turning around and saying, I don't want to see your failure. Go and just check the next element. You feel fear, maybe. It's hard to breathe, maybe. another part and just be the observant. What do you observe? You observe these elements and there is some conflict between them, maybe, or you observe that they are fine. Now, I need you to repeat the healing words, saying, failure, I see you. Success, I see you. Elements of success, I see you. Say the healing words. Failure, there is space for you. You try to show me something. I appreciate you for that. Now I can see clearly. The same way we do with other elements of success. We say, I see your success. There is space for you too. I'm open to receive you. Other elements is like, yes, joy and feeling bigger. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I see you. There is space for you. After this, from the center of the emotion that you are integrating, from the center of this state, we start making our beautiful, beautiful spiral. All right, let's go. So we're gonna make a spiral. Think, I accept you, I integrate you. Now the elements that I put here, I put them naturally. You can do the same. You put them the way you feel it. If you feel they should be further away, it's okay. You just let the field talk. And with every spiral, you make a larger circle. You can see I don't have that much space in my room. Otherwise, it would have been larger and larger, further and further away. Observe how I'm feeling. I feel like, yes. Make the spiral the other side at some point. Go more and more towards the circle. How is it feeling? Just observe. Breathe. Return. Feel appreciation for this state. You're here. I love you. You belong. Feels really cool to do this. And then again, because now we're integrating all the elements. The same as we are integrating success, we're integrating failure, we're integrating all of them. They all belong. We can say, you all belong. And you continue doing these circles again and again, more and more. And you feel this is kind of your constellation. They belong to a constellation. You make the circle the other side. You breathe. You can go more to the center, a smaller circle. You can start running, different speed. More, our bigger circle, how does it feel? Feels cool, it feels like woo, woo, woo. The other side, woo, let's go. Yes, you know what? The integration is happening, I feel more and more happiness. Yes. You can make it extra slow. If some words are coming to you, you can say that. Failure, I was afraid of you. Success, I was so freaking scared of you. But now I integrate you both. You all belong. You're wonderful. Good. I would actually recommend each and every one of you to do this with success and failure. Because each and every one has had some repulsion towards failure. We were so punished in the past for failing that we really try to push it away. So it's definitely an emotional state and a feeling, yeah, that I see it repeating. So please do it for failure too. as well as do it for what you need. And I gave you different examples. It could be the feeling of hate, the feeling of not being appreciated, not being seen. Then you put not seen and seen, or being used and then being appreciated, something like this. Good. We do it. Once you feel peace, once you feel awesome, once you feel it's done, continue making some more circles. Just observe what's happening inside you. How does it feel? You know what it feels? For me, it feels powerful. Good. So you do this until you really feel peace, and then you continue a little bit. After continuing a little bit, 1 more minute, some new insights are coming. At the end, find your position in regards to all these papers. And whichever the position is, it can be far away, it can be on one of the papers. My position is here, it's on one of the papers. Any position is okay, is allowed. We can also choose the position of failure. It doesn't mean you are a failure. It's just the position that is attracting you right now. Any position is fine. And you feel peace and gratitude. And then say thank you to all your papers. You shake them afterwards. I love kissing them too, but it's just me giving them love. Thank you, representative. Thank you. Yes. And then you're done. Yes, thank you.